So you learn about both the input and output file streams. Now we also have another kind of file stream that we can use both for the read and write operations. It's called fstream. So we create an object, then we call the open method and specify our file name. Now with the second argument, we specify one or more opening modes. If you want to read from this file, we type ios:\in, that is short for input. Now if you want to supply additional modes, we add a vertical bar and type another mode like ios:\out, that is short for output. So now with this, we can open this file both for reading and writing. Now earlier I told you that whenever we open a file for writing, if it doesn't exist, it's going to get created. Otherwise, its content is going to be deleted. So if you want to append to a file, here we have another mode called app, that is short for append. We can also open this in binary mode, so ios binary, okay? So we open this file and then, just like before, we check to see if the file is open. So if file is open, then we do some work, and before we finish, we should always close the file stream. The only difference between fstream and, let's say, ifstream is that the second stream assumes the input mode by default. So we don't have to specify this while opening the file. So that's all about file streams. Next, we're going to talk about string streams.